5 cognitive biases, starting with the first one, confirmation bias. Confirmation bias means when investor accepts only those information that supports their existing belief and ignores any contradicting information. For example, a client whose holdings is concentrated in a particular sector may absorb only good news and ignore any bad news regarding this investments. Second one is representative bias. In this, one takes decision based on past or through stereotyping. For example, a growth in a particular company may be taken as a representative of its development in the future, but its growth in the past does not guarantee the likelihood of the similar growth in the future. Third one is hindsight bias. In this, individuals have a tendency to believe that they could have predicted past event accurately, even though that person was unable to do so in real time. For example, a fairly inexperienced investor purchases a stock which turns out to be a very good choice. Now, the investor takes the credit for an excellent understanding of the market and claims that it was actually going to happen. In fact, in reality, it is impossible to 100% know what the eventual outcome would have. Fourth is framing bias, where the investors make decisions based on the information presented rather than the actual value of the information. So, when an investment opportunity is framed as having a 90% chance of success, we may be more inclined to invest in it than if it is framed as having a 10% chance of failure, even though the two statements convey the same information. And the last one is availability bias. In this type, investors choose investments based on the information available to them. For example, through advertising or suggestions from their advisors or friends, or based on the information that come to their mind easily. For example, someone who has recently experienced the stock market crash may be less likely to invest in stocks in the future, even though historically they have been a profitable investments over the long term.